American Appraisal, a company operating in the field of advisory and valuation, was created in 1896 in Milwaukee. The network of American Appraisal has been progressively expanded all over the world, and it reached Italy in 1967. Currently, the American Appraisal Group is present in 15 countries and is the biggest company of the world operating in the field of advisory and valuation. 60% of the firms selected by Fortune 500 is included in American Appraisal's client portfolio. Reag, Real Estate Advisory Group, the subsidiary specialized in the real estate sector, was set up in 1992. Thanks to the know-how developed working within the American Appraisal Group for many years, Reag is able to extend on global and diffused level both its technical and economical consultancy services, according to the Global Network Local Consulting principle. For this reason, Reag is present on all the world markets characterized by dynamic situations of real estate development. Reag's activity in Europe is very intense. Leo Civelli is responsible for the coordination of the offices based in Italy, UK, Germany and France that are supported by EcoMag, the subsidiary specialized in the environmental matters closely connected to the real estate and industrial development. The services provided by Reag to the operators of the real estate and financial sectors are focused on three business areas, which correspond to the internal divisions of the company: investment and advisory, property consulting and valuation. The investment division is charged with the analysis of the different components of the real estate investment and with the identification of the possible scenarios of development of the asset, examining the actual feasibility of complex real estate operations through a full range of consultancy services intended for single assets, portfolios and development projects. The advisory activity mainly focuses on strategic consultancy services related to investment activities, strategic management and divestment of single assets or property portfolios. This activity is split into global advisory for property funds and strategic consultancy. The activity of the investment and advisory division also includes the services for loan outpayments, the analysis of non-performing loans and/or leasing operations. The professionals working within the property consulting division are qualified technicians able to provide the totality of the management service through the accomplishment of all the activities aiming at the systematic and innovatory management of an asset or of a whole portfolio. The activity of this division starts from the fundamental phase of the knowledge, due diligence, verification of the floor areas and documental archives, and include the design, planning, organization, coordination, management, execution and control of all the activities necessary for the management of the building and the relating maintenance and technical services. The Property Consulting Division also carries out watchdog and technical control activities both during the design phase and during the execution phase in the building yards, taking into consideration the requirements of the 10-year insurance subsequent to the end of building works. The valuation is traditionally the starting point of Reag activity. The Valuation Division provides the traditional valuation services through the application of well-established and generally accepted methods and international standards. The wide range of services provided can be summarized in the analysis of single assets or whole portfolios aiming at the estimation of the market value, the current use value, and the replacement cost. The know-how developed over the years working in varied markets and the skills acquired through the numerous case histories constitute a very precious capital of data gathered by Reag Research and Development Office, which provides updated analysis supporting the daily activity. The synthesis of the activity is given by the long list of operations in which Reag has participated, together with public bodies, institutions and companies from all over the world, and for whom Reag has been a reliable and independent partner in the management of complex operations and effective strategies of real estate development.